Hi, I'm Greg Cook. It's my pleasure to welcome you to American Legend Homes at the Grove Frisco. We're proud to offer a variety of 1 and 2 story plans on 65-foot wide lots with square footage ranging from 2868 to over 4,200 feet, built for the way you live. The Grove Frisco is located near the Four Corners, where Frisco meets Allen, McKinney, and Plano. This ideal location is just 30 minutes north of Dallas, not only convenient to major employers and schools, but to many shopping, dining, and entertainment options as well. This award-winning master plan community spans 735 acres and offers a fantastic array of recreational amenities, such as 2 resort-style swimming pools, splash pad, a state-of-the-art fitness center, a dog park, creative playgrounds, and walking trails. The Orchard House, a central gathering spot for the community, also boasts an elegant fire pit for wine tastings, an outdoor event lawn with a stage. There's a 2.5-acre lake with a pier, a youth-sized soccer pitch with goals, and even a new outdoor pickleball court. The Grove Frisco is proud to be situated in Frisco ISD, where some of the state's top educational institutions are located. American Legend Homes is a family and employee-owned, award-winning organization focused on thoughtful designs, quality craftsmanship, and superior customer service. Built for the way you live isn't just a tagline. It's our operating mantra that defines who we are and our commitment to provide the absolute best customer experience throughout the home building process. As an American Legend homeowner myself, I always speak from the heart and try to treat each client like family. I would consider it my privilege to help you discover and build your dreams here in the Grove Frisco.